Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Coles. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in coles.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Coles website. Now click on the login/sign up button at the top right corner and you can now use your email address to either log in or sign up. Type in your preferred email address that you wish to use in order to sign up for your account and click on continue. You will then be asked to choose your account type and fill up your name. After choosing between personal or business account, just type in your name followed by your postcode. After entering your postcode or your suburb, you can enter your phone number and then type in the password that you wish to set for your account. After entering your password as well as your phone number, you can click on the create account button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. Just check your SMS and you will find this verification code within, and you can enter this code within the next screen and proceed forward, and now your account will be signed up and ready to use right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Coles. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.